Well, if you don't want to do your hair, and this is mostly probably for the ladies, us guys, I don't know how much time and energy we put into our hairdo, okay? But if you just want to wear a hat backwards or forwards, mission accomplished. And ladies, you look kind of cute if you wear like one of our little baseball hats, okay? So today I'm not really rocking a hairdo. I'm just going to go ahead and wear my hat backwards and pretend I'm young, even though, boy, I'm not, because my beard matches my hat. So, okay, guys, first of all, thanks for watching these videos. I have a great time making them. I love just storytelling, talking about my experience with software or how I email, maybe an opportunity I've joined and the results I'm getting. Is it making me money? All right. Is it educating me? Because I like to buy education, but I also like to sell education. All right. It's fun when you have multiple income streams. Okay. I highly, highly don't recommend just burying yourself in thought and training videos with just one company. Now, I definitely don't want you to get distracted, because sometimes if you join 2, 3, 4 opportunities at the same time, of course you're going to be all over the place. But I think your end game, your long term, let's just go like this and look down the road. Okay, let's get you in a nice money-making opportunity. I'd love to help you. I want to get you into another one, and let's say a third, but they all complement each other, like whipped cream, ice cream, and hot fudge. Okay, I only do things that complement each opportunity, because I don't like things scattered from selling tires over here. Then on the other side of the screen, maybe I'm selling donuts. On the other side of the screen, I might be selling Hot Wheels, which I really like. And then from there, let's say I'm selling pretzels. I mean, who knows? I like to sell things that complement each other. I will sell a taco shell, taco meat, a whole bunch of cheese, and red and green sauce, guys. I love tacos, don't you guys? Okay. So when you do find opportunities that you believe in and you can afford to join, and you're going to give it your best effort to do social media posts, you're probably going to do something on, let's say, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. All right, I know there's Threads and X, and I still call it Twitter. But anyway, sooner or later you run out of, I don't know if I'd call it energy, or it could be just you're embarrassed to post on social media. Sometimes you're just, I'm tired, because you have to work 9 to 5. Maybe you're an overnight worker, mom and dad, stay-at-home mom and dad. Okay, there's so many other things that you got to do every 24 hours. You got to sleep, poop, brush your teeth, I hope. Okay, but at the end of the day, you're going to get tired and run out of videos. Okay, you're going to go, God, I'm out of videos. What do I do now? I don't really want to make another one, and I'm tired. What do I talk about? And then you'll go, oh, God, I don't mind posting a picture of a piece of pizza that I'm going to eat, but how do I write things that are compelling and maybe motivating, where people want to click and watch a short little video, which leads to them signing up or buying something from you? Okay, I love opportunity online. It is so fun. And I love when I don't have a product. Okay, I don't have a pizza for sale. I do have a lot of great supplements, but you know what? You buy from the company and they ship to you. I have digital products, education that'll blow your mind. But if you want to buy this education, guys, you just get out your credit card, debit card, your crypto, however you want to pay. And guess what? After the funds go through, you've got these courses already produced, and man, you can download them and view them on your computer. Rewind, watch. You don't have to go to college, city college. You don't have to do any of that. You can sit and watch from the comfort of your own cell phone, home, laptop, whatnot. Okay? I'm a huge fan of having multiple income, and everything I do is based upon, I go to GoDaddy, I buy a domain name. I'll just use this for example, joincory.com. This is my company called LiveGood. I'm very successful in it. I have almost 400 people signed up. All right. And I just bought joincory.com. I think I paid $10 or so at GoDaddy. For free, it forwards to a capture page. People put in their name and email address, and then they'll watch a video about the opportunity. Okay? But how I can only do so many videos and so many social media posts. And now and then on the street, I'll go ahead and give one of these business cards out. But I don't talk about business on the street. I can't stand it. I'm not going to be one of those guys that goes to a party and I pretend to like you and then go, hey, would you like to make some money? I'm not Mr. Amway. Okay. I like when people see my videos or maybe overhearing something I'm saying or maybe looking at what I'm posting. And they go, hey, you know what? What are you doing on Facebook? I see you post now and then. What's the deal? That's where I'll go, hey, go to joincory.com, watch the video. And you know what? If you like what you see, then let's talk. But let the video kind of do everything for you. And if you join anything I do all my businesses the same. It's all based upon getting a domain name, get business cards if you'd like. They're like $25 plus a couple bucks shipping at GoDaddy. Okay? And let video do everything. This is not 1970, 1980. You do not have to have living room parties and pretend, I don't know, drink and eat snacks and do Mary Kay, do Tupperware. Okay? To age myself, I go clear back in the 60s, guys. Okay? I don't like MLM. I can't stand it, but I do like multiple level pay. So everything I do, I usually earn commissions if you join. Okay? That's my goal. And you know what? If you make money, I usually make money. And if I make too much money, like in LiveGood, it'll spill over and you might get a little bit of ching-chang. Okay? But we'll discuss each individual opportunity at another time. I want you to get good at emailing because at the end of the day, you're going to run out of social media posts, or at least ideas. You're going to maybe not even do a video because you don't like your hair. You won't put a hat on backwards like I do. And you hate your voice and you think you look tired or fat, or I've heard every excuse on why you don't want to do video, and that's okay. Everything I do, you don't have to do video. I can take away video and still earn money, okay? But you need to start emailing. I want you to email. It really will help you, in my opinion. I'm a storyteller, and all I can tell you, because I'm a storyteller type of guy, is that when I started emailing, boy, did my income increase. Not grant 10x. I'm talking 10, 20, 30 times because I can sit and email all day, but it's not me doing it. It's this opportunity I'm going to direct you to. Because for $1 a day, you're going to get 1 to 200 email leads. This company, they just have a little box on your screen. I'll show you. Write an email, put a subject in, proofread it, make sure you like it, and then send it. And in 23 hours, you can do it again. And guess what? You do it again and again because you get 3,000 to 6,000 email leads per month. It's always $1 a day, guys. Okay? $30. Let's get you going. We need you to start emailing 100 people right now. Tomorrow, you're going to get another 100. You're going to email 200 people tomorrow. Guess what? The third day, you're going to get another 100. The third day, you're going to email the 100, the 200, and on the third day, the new 100. You got 300 more people. Guys, every email address you have, you're going to hit a button that says select all. And I want you to send every person that has come to you, because this opportunity gets people coming to you looking for business opportunities. So obviously, guess what you're going to do to these peeps? You're going to send them a nice little email. I have about 140 some odd emails saved up. I have the subjects that go to those emails. You need to get them open. You need the email to be interesting enough where people kind of comprehend, hey, you know what? I get it. This sounds good. And then they'll click a link that'll go to a video to really do all the recruiting, training, whatever. Let emails that are already made do your heavy lifting. Only after people watch the videos about whatever your business is, then go ahead and say, you know what? Now inbox me on Facebook. You know what, guys? Here is my cell phone or text me. Go ahead and email me, Cory at CoryDraper.com. But after they watch the videos to your opportunities. Otherwise, you're going to be talking all the time. You're going to burn out. And in 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months, you're not even going to want to do the business anymore. We need to get everything automated. I do about 100 and some odd thousand emails per day because I have 7 accounts with this opportunity. I have 7 businesses now online. Okay. And since each account is only $30 a month, well, if I can send out 3,000 emails, and if I get one sign up, let's say that earns me $30, Am I going to spend that 30 for the next month to get another 3,000 to 6,000 email leads? Yeah, it's scaling up. Okay. So man, I'll tell you, if you have a couple incomes, why not get one account for income A and then get a second account for income B? Because there's an affiliate program. If just one person signs up through your affiliate link, which mine is orderleadstoday.com, I bought orderleadstoday.com for like $11. I forward it to a capture page that's already made for you guys. Do you want to see what it looks like? All you do is go to this page, orderleadstoday.com. You're going to click this YouTube video button. Watch, I think it's about 8 and 9 minutes. It shows you all the behind the office and it explains everything. And guys, there's a tutorial how to make an email and send it. And it's really easy. And if you want to join orderleadstoday.com, hit this little red button on the left. It just says join MLG now. Go ahead. Just click it. It ain't gonna bite you. Okay. And if you want to join, that's where I'm going to send you a bunch of emails and the subjects. This is what it looks like behind the scenes, my lead gen secret. You're going to go to this mailing system. You're going to click this link and it's going to teach you how to make just an email and send it real easy. See, I hit the select all button. Look at that. Just this account has 93,700. Guys, I have 6 more accounts. All I do is just put a subject in. See, this is an email I did today. You'll like this. I just hit the load button and guess what? It loads it in this section right here. And then right in this white section, it'll say send in 20 hours and 59 minutes. Because 2 hours ago, I went ahead and sent an email out to 93,700 people. Well, guess what? Tomorrow, this is going to say 93,900 people. Because if you see right here, see, today is the 26th, the day after Christmas. See where it says I got 200 leads? Well, I'm going to get 200 more leads tomorrow. So I'm almost going to be sending out 94,000 emails tomorrow. And guys, you have statistics, okay? You can check out where the leads are coming from, their name, their address. The affiliate program, all you do is just go to the affiliate tab here and see this where it says sizzle page, this link. This is the exact same link that you're looking at right here. So what I recommend is join, and every email you send out, put a little thing at the bottom saying, guys, if you would like 3,000 email leads for $30 a month, $1 a day, please click here and send it to your own sizzle page. Because the first person that signs up, now you get 200 leads a day, 6,000 a day for only $30. 6,000, I'm sorry, a month for $1 a day. Okay. And if you want to do what I do, just go ahead and join yourself. You just need to get a new email account. Okay. Because each account, you need your own email address. So for example, Cory@gmail.com. Well, if I want to join myself, I can use my same credit card, debit card, whatever. I just need a different email address because the company needs to separate each account via email. Okay. So I just went to Gmail and opened up like CoryDraper1@gmail.com, CoryDraper2@gmail.com. But join yourself. That way you go from 1 to 200 leads. Okay. There's nothing like getting 6,000 a month, guys. It's a numbers game. If you ask me anything online, it's a numbers game. I make an insane amount of video and I love to do content, especially email. And in my experience, the more simple your email is, it's more effective because you want people to watch the video, not read the email. If there's no such thing as YouTube or video online, then yes, you got to do all your sell spiel in the email. But what I recommend is, hey, this looks interesting. Check this out. Click. That goes right to a video. And guess what? They're either in or out. And if they're out, you're never going to know it anyway. They're on their way. They're back on solitaire. They're back on Facebook or playing video games. You don't want to bore people to death and do a spiel in their living room like old school MLM. Okay? I love doing video like this because I feel like you invited me over to your place and maybe we're sitting in your backyard having a cool drink watching the sunset. But I love doing video like this because I can record it once, and here I am at 15 minutes long, upload it to YouTube, and guess what? I can send this video out for a year, and it's still going to be relevant and awesome. This company's been around a long time, okay? My link is always going to be orderleadstoday.com. You're going to join. You're going to go to the mailing center. You're going to watch the video, how to make an email. I'm going to go ahead and send you a whole bunch that I just hope you look at just for ideas and use them. Copy them if you'd like. Then every 23 hours, not 24, the countdown clock is 23. And guess what? You're going to get so good at emailing every single day. And guys, if you forget, don't worry about it. You know, the world's going to spin. Don't worry. The news is still going to be good, bad, and ugly. Okay. I think we're all going to be okay. But if you want to email every day like I do, this is probably your most affordable best bet. Okay. I have 7 accounts. I love it. I will probably have 10 to 15 by the time it's mid 2025. Okay. When I go fishing, I like 5 fishing poles. Okay. I like to overkill. If I'm on the Titanic, I want a life vest. I want drinks. And I'm going to make sure everybody has their own lifeboat, like wave runners. And we're going to haul ass and have fun a couple hours until the Carpathia or one of those ships comes gets us. Okay. He who posts the most, she who posts the most, makes content, is usually going to have a really good experience online. And I think your end all be all is you want to earn money, right, guys? Right, girls? Yes. Okay. High five. Please go to orderleadstoday.com. And I just want you to watch that little video there. He's a nice guy from England, if I remember right. And he's going to explain a little bit. And if you want to join, remember the bottom left. Orderleadstoday.com. That link is going to be below this anyway. So scroll down and you can find it in the description of the video. And that's it, guys. So thank you for the last 16 minutes. I will end it at 17. So that gives me the 20 seconds to just say thank you for your time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cory at CoryDraper.com. Go ahead and email me anytime. Guys, find me on Facebook. Please inbox me there, and I'll help you as much as I can to get you successful kicking butt by doing emails. No video. You don't have to do social media, but you're going to get good at doing this. And then looking, preview it, and click your little mouse, tickle the little butt of this mouse, and send those emails out. I want you sending tens of thousands out every single day and making money. The best part about this is this company pays me because it's an affiliate program. So not only do I get 200 instead of 100 leads a day, they give me cash, about $2,000 or more. All right. Every 30 days, I get a pile of cash that adds up to about $200 to $2,500 cash. Okay. So anyway, orderleadstoday.com. I've promoted it enough. All right. You guys take care. All right. And thanks for your time. I really appreciate ya. All right. Take care, guys. See you soon. Bye.